So here we go again. We're here at yet another event. I think that's been 6 weeks, 6 events for me. And today we're heading to the Pokémon Center. So of course it's the Pokémon European Championship this weekend, and we will be there again tomorrow. So we'll be getting a full vlog from here. But today I'm heading to the Pokémon Center. As you can see, they do have a nice entrance, but I have already heard some very worrying rumors that the Pokémon Center is already way overpacked. So last time I went, a few times I've been to the Pokémon Center London, I've been lucky and got early slots, so I've gotten here super early. Fortunately, I was on earlies at work, so fortunately that comes first. And now I'm heading, I do have a 3:30 time slot, but I have been told horror stories of people saying they had a time slot and they're still not in. So yeah, it's very, very worrying. Oh nice, so this is the Pokémon Center. So, we are literally in this weird type of jail type thing. I believe this is the 3:30. So I think they've told me to join this one and I'll wait for the 3:30 one to open. So yeah. So these are all the different pens they are sticking people in. So I think that's like the 2 o'clock pen over there. Yeah, a bit shocked that last year we actually had some really nice pens all pre-set up that had like really nice photo opportunities in them. Really shocked that Pokemon haven't done it again. They do have the giant Pikachu there, but it seems to be the main thing they've added. So I have no idea what slots everybody else is. I'm guessing those ones are quite full, so there must be quite nearer slots. Oh, it's just annoying that. I mean, I heard it was way worse earlier, but it's like the second time I've gone to a Pokémon event, and everything's just been really poorly organised. We did that poker post, which I will admit in the video I probably don't sound as frustrated as I should have been. This year was made to stand out in the cold in December, and there would have been so much you could have done to like make the line go faster. And yeah, it's just really annoying that it seems still happening again. Considering how well it went last year, it was really plain and simple, really, really easy to get in. Like the second day as well, I went back in, and it was like we literally walked in as our time slot was starting. So it is really annoying and frustrating to see it like this, and the fact that last year they had like the infrastructure really nice. This time we're just sort of in a load of makeshift pens, which is kind of really disappointing. When I do think of Pokemon, I do think of a high quality product, and right now this is really not it. So we've got a little quick tip, because people say you wait in a lot of lines, Tim, and do you have any tips for waiting in line? This is a very good one. This is actually one I learned in Japan, especially going to Disneyland in Japan. See, what a lot will happen in Japan is there'll be big lines, but for e.g. like opening, what people will do, they'll sit down on the floor, like they'll wait for a parade, sit down. Of course, not in rides, you can't do this. The reason I say this is a really good idea is it is taking the stress off your legs, and sometimes it can be such a difference as well to get that 20 minutes sit down. Of course, you can only do it in a line that doesn't have a wet floor, or a line that isn't moving, because you're going to have to keep getting up. But I do strongly recommend, of course, make sure you move your feet occasionally so you don't get pins and needles at that awkward moment when the line does finally move and your legs are jelly. It's currently 3:13 over there. If we might have a focus. Over there is the 3 o'clock people. So when we see them people move, that is a good sign. So it's a good sign this group and next to us have moved. So I'm guessing this lot over here will probably be the 3:15 lot. Still waiting. People are going in the other thing. So that's looking good. Over half an hour. This is a lie. Okay, they're letting in the kids and people who need assistance, which I don't do. I think is a really good idea. They've done that like that. And we're being let in. So it's now 4:10 and there is still a humongous line to get through. Here we go. One of the photo opportunities to see the Waterloo line. So if we were good, we can get a Captain Pikachu photo. I'm so happy because so far he has only been at influencer and press only events. So it's just like my one chance to meet him. But probably going to be loads of chances. I'm going to get tired of meeting Captain Pikachu. Here we are, just this one. Hey Captain Pikachu, nice to see you. It's nice to see you at last. Yes, I met Captain Pikachu. My lover mascots. It's coming up to an hour late. I'm pretty sure this is the same open or the same storefront as the last time. They're just recycled. Pretty sure some of this has been recycled. Oh yes, they do. They have that Bulbasaur. I think he's been there since Wales. Here we go. It's only 16:51, so I can't even do maths anymore. Just need a bag. Hello, thank you. And here we go in. I gotta do the walk and talk. Of course, they do have the decks, including the Pokémon.
Yeah, there's a big.
They are very well stepped on the Elite Trainer boxes. Oh, the Sword and Shield. They got a lot of the Sword and Shield sets. I mean, so I got really lucky in the walk round. I found the dice box just like randomly sitting there. Like I can't find where it is, so I presume they're out of stock. But someone had just abandoned one, so it's mine now. Box there, so it keeps seeing a lot of people did abandon it. One thing I'm very impressed with the playmats. The playmats are all here. I have a feeling it may be due to the fact that not a popular Pokemon is on here, but considering all previous years, the playmats are the first things to sell out.
Yeah.
One thing, I actually do have this at home. I have not opened it. I'm kind of a bit too shy to open it. I will. It will be a special video because it will mean I will pull Charizard for the first time. So I'm preparing myself. It will mean I'm truly am a man. I drew a Charizard card. Talking about Charizard, they do have the nice Charizard box here. I don't think I've seen. So this is like more Pokemon cards. Wow, they go all the way back to like battle styles. Like a battle style sheep pack. I just think battle styles wasn't a very good set. I'd have probably different parts. But it's kind of neat to see. They actually do have some better sets. We've got to pick up something classic. Here we go, Silver Tempest. Oh, Brilliant Stars. Oh, I think I'm gonna go with some Silver Tempest. I really do like this set. It's tempting, but Polygon even existed. Freedom for Polygon. I seen a one I would get, but I already got this. I do love this Waterloo. Oh, this Pikachu one is really adorable as well. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, my heart. They do have some of the nice build and battle sets because originally these were only ever available like as at pre-release events. I do like the little cutouts. They've done stuff like Eevee here. So looking at all the pins. So it's nice to see. I've come here quite late and I don't think there's a single item that I couldn't get that I wanted. I should have got this one. I should get this for my sister because she got married recently.
This is Charizard. This is what it looks
Do
like.
I want a big one like that?
I don't know.
They have smallers?
There's probably a small.
Yes, it's the puppet. I kind of wanted this because of how dirty he looks. They have Waterloo. Someone's just walked off with the last Waterloo, but it's okay. It's the... Oh, no. I'm pretty sure I already have... No. It's tempting, but I have a Waterloo very much like that Waterloo. Yes, I don't think I technically had a favourite Pokemon. Then Waterloo happened, and then it was like, well, that's my favourite Pokemon now. I remember the first Pokemon Center, like here, and you just find loads of packs that were already open. You're like these big boys. They got big Bulbasaur. They got big Word Starter. I'm sorry. I think it's like the one corner I've not been to yet. It's really cute. And we have some Pokémon songs. Dan Snyder's Natural Enemy. Okay, these Pokemon bags are adorable. I know Harriet had one of them for her cosplay. These Squirtles are cute as well. They do have some really nice looking Gengar hoodies. Oh, these are them here. Oh, they're only about £20. I'm getting two. Do they have Psyduck as well? I do like Psyduck, but not enough to... This is it, look. This would be great for Pokemon cards opening. Hello, I'm Psyduck. Wow. And they do actually have a really, really nice Team Rocket range over here that I think I showed on Walking Talk. This is really tempting. But I think it's just a little bit too expensive, and I think it's just a little bit too low key. That is like, you can't really see the other. You'd have to really. Nice trousers. I do like this Team Rocket range. You know, it's simple. You kind of, if you know the game. We even got Team Rocket shorts, but I look good in Team Rocket shorts. And there is a big line, which I am going to join the end of. It's the day of long lines. Hopefully registration now will be a really short line because everybody is in here. Now to find out how much it's going to cost me. How much did I spend? See, 100. Oh, I thought I'd go over 200. Splendid, yeah. I bought so much, they had to put it in the Snorlax bag. Right, I need to go and check in because I'm a spectator. Oh wow, the little carboot type thing has already started. Yeah, it's like wild. Everyone sort of does their almost like own Pokemon carboot, which is really cool to see. Just people would be selling stuff. Normally all from Worlds. Time to pick up my spectator pass. I don't know why I get so confused. I kind of did sign up as a competitor once. That was interesting. But that's a story for another day. Here we go. We've got my packs of Pokemon cards and my pass. One day I'll be media. One day.